We are back on BuzzChomp.
Make sure you're subscribed.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
She-Devil Workout Circuit. This circuit's called She-Devil, but whether you're a man or a woman, it is going to get you badass ripped, baby. It's totally going to build your arms and obviously top to bottom, core, upper body. You can't avoid really feeling like a badass she-devil, or in my case, a man-devil. No weights necessary, 9 exercises. It starts with probably the hardest one of all. You do tricep dips to failure. After you've shredded your triceps, doing as many dips as possible, which you're about to see from me is quite a few, 3 types of punches. You got 2 types of bridges, a little core action with the clamshells, plank kickbacks, and you get a twist in there. This is a great, great circuit. Are you ready? I'm going to demonstrate all 9 exercises. Go. Dips to failure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You keep going until you can't do anymore. Your body forces you to stop. Boom, 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 boom. 40 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 plank kickbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 10 bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 raised leg bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch sides. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sit-up punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 clamshells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seated twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recommend resting up to 2 minutes between sets. Like most of these great darabee circuits, level 1 is 3 rounds of this, and then you can progress up. If you want level 2, level 3, knock yourself out. But you're going to feel like a badass devil regardless of which level you choose. But do 3 rounds, because you're going to get a sweat going, you're going to get your heart rate up, and it's going to be good cardio. But oh man, you are going to totally feel it. You think punching at air is a little silly and stupid? No, it is not. It is really hard, and it really works well. That's why we got 3 punches in here. Then you're working dips. So you've shredded your triceps beforehand. Then you're going to move in and do the punches, the bridges, and the other core work with a little twisting in there to loosen yourself up. Top to bottom, this one. You're not traditionally working your legs, but you're going to use your legs for a lot of these. Plus, it mixes punches and sit-ups, which I absolutely love because it's two things you would never put together, and yet you do it in this challenge. This is a great challenge. Man or woman, it's the She-Devil. Everyone wants to be a little badass, especially as the year gets going. You're all thinking you are. Prove it with this workout circuit. Comment below. If you tried the She-Devil, you got a Man-Devil style workout I'd like to call. Try. This is an awesome one. I loved it. Hope you do too. She-Devil workout circuit.
Tune back in
More from Mandy and Dan.
on BuzzChomp.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah, thank you.